Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cook this tomato seafood soup in Heartopia. So in this cold or fields oven, you can cook any special food, and one of them is this tomato seafood soup. And to cook this tomato seafood soup is very easy. First, you just need to go to your Tidle stove. You must have this stove because this stove is a special stove if you want to cook this food. And if you don't know how to craft this stove, you can just check the tutorials in my Heartopia playlist. And then after that, just tap on this stove and then just choose this recipe. And in here you need Common Prawn that you can visit at the Sea, and then tomato that you can get it from gardening hobby, Glasswort that you can collect it from Whalefall Canyon map, and then wheat that you can get it from the gardening hobby too. And then in here, because I run out of Common Prawn and tomato, I will replace it with universal ingredients like this, and then just tap start cooking. And just like that, just cook this soup. Like this, and then just like that, you will successfully making this tomato seafood soup. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.